Do you want to mute notifications on X? You can mute Twitter X notification with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To mute notifications on X. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, tap on your profile icon or picture located at the top left corner of the screen to open the side menu. From the menu, scroll down slightly and tap on Settings and Support. Now, from the expanded section, tap on Settings and Privacy. A new screen will open with multiple settings options. From here, find and tap on Notifications. Again, a new screen will appear with different notification options. From here, tap on Filters. Now, select the option Mute Notifications. A new screen will open with different options to mute notifications from people. Select each of the options from where you want to mute notifications on your Twitter X account. Once done, unwanted notifications will be muted, and you will only receive notifications based on your selected preferences.